it's a great privilege na naka-attend ko kayo ngayon and make time, come here and invest your time, invest your weekend, no? Today kasi you will gain a lot of learning. So ano nga ba ang isang virtual assistant? So ang virtual assistant is are remote professionals. Remote, when we say remote, again ulitin ko, gagamitin natin, pina-perform natin yun. Kasi ang client natin ay nasa ibang bansa, tayo ay nandito sa Philippines. Kapag ikaw ay nag-work virtually, you have to use tools and software na ginagamit lang kahit computer.
Can you imagine, 10 years from now, ano na kaya ka hindi ang AI? Mostly naman, gumagamit ng AI. Okay? But sometimes we want to go deeper sa knowledge natin sa AI. Of course, kung hinire niya ako, expected niya dapat na meron ng mga tools. Kasi yun yung aming puhunan, right? So, ikaw, kung ilang alam mo, mag-expect ba tayo na mas naging sahod?
So, we're breaking the group tayo for social media and for admin.